Hello guys, today we're going to learn how to install and use F5-TTS. F5-TTS is a fairy tailer that faithfuls fluent and fetch with flow matching. This thing is the fastest text-to-speech and cloning that I ever met. Also, it is able to generate voice easily with very little sample. It takes less than 15-second voice to generate good voice. How to install this? To avoid complication with other programs, since this thing also uses Kyude, I suggest using Pinocchio to install this. How to install Pinocchio? I put how to in the link on video description. Now open your Pinocchio. Click Discover. Search for E25TTS. Click it. It is by Cocktail Peanut again. He or she is legit. Click Download and click Install. When asked to save as, just click Save. Click Install. Now wait until the application starts. After that, simply add audio into the reference audio. Write your prompt that you want to voice by the model. Click Synthesize. Now enjoy.
The members seem to be doing well now. I do a phone consultation with them from time to time, and they're all very cheerful. That goes for my fortune teller customers as well. Hello guys, this is Kahaya Mifune. This is text-to-speech using my voice. I think this is pretty cool using a very short voice clip for a better result. I think this is a very good and fast way to generate text-to-speech. It is even faster than voice cloning from Tortoise. Let's see how fast it generates the voice using this sentence in real time. I will not cut the process time this time. Let's see. This long sentence is generate less than 10 seconds. I am not sure, let's try again. This time I add random word that I found on the internet. Simply because I don't know what to write. The nearby French doors open and the sounds of Katy Perry scream out. Come, he says, taking my hand, and we dip into the shadows. Leading me carefully along a path, I realize he's taking me toward the swimming pool. He hasn't said a word but keeps turning around and smiling at me. Who the hell is he? Then I realize I don't really care. He stops outside the pool house and turns towards me. He glances over the top of my head before pulling me towards him. I say, but his hands are already cupping my face and his lips have covered mine, silencing me. "41-second voice generated in 13 seconds. This is great. Really great.
I can explain everything. I don't know. Look, we can work this out. Oak, let's try new voice. Morning. I say, looking only at Jess. What the hell happened to you? She asks. I fell asleep in the pool house. I confess. Leaving out the most interesting details of the evening. I catch my reflection in the huge mirror hanging over the mantelpiece. Oh, good grief, I think. Rubbing the mascara furiously from under my eyes. The moment you walk in, your host directs you to the chaos of bottles and red plastic cups on the countertop. Despite this being a house party, she's all dolled up from head to toe for the occasion. She dons a navy blue cocktail dress with white polka dots. The red bow holding back her platinum blonde hair matches the ribbon cinched around her little waist. It accentuates the full curves she wears on the rest of her body. Essentially, she's a pin-up girl embodied. You toss some half-melted ice from the kitchen counter into your party cup and pour a nondescript whiskey over the cubes. As you are taking your first sip of this drink that has that bittersweet aroma of high school, a girl you don't know insists you take a swig from her flask.
Baby. Oh my God. Be careful when selecting voice reference. Sometime it will add voice sample into the text. Like this example. Oh my God. Is oh my word all over the place? Because the model think it is the way the voice talk. Oh my God. So make sure you test any output first.
It could also use male voice, so don't worry. It is pretty capable of doing any voices. Anyway guys, I think that's it for today's video. There is still a lot of feature this program has, but for now, you should experiment yourself. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you again on the next episode. Have a nice day. Please subscribe.